everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ivana. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys my first subscription box from Look Fantastic. This is my very first and look like this. I love this box. It comes such a beautiful box, as you can see. And Look Fantastic has this company where you can treat yourself with these boxes which come each month. So you can subscription box for 1, 3, 6 and 12 months, and you can cancel any time. So each box coming with 6 beauty treats with different brands, and they comes with the sizes, travel sizes, full sizes, and also they giving sometimes the gift and like extra products, which is really nice. And on the first wave, when you do a subscription box, you pay only £10 from 13, where you get a discount what I use myself, and it's Street BB. I'm gonna linking everything down below for first way. And after each month you're paying £15, and each month you will get the box like this, maybe on the different color, but for my search. So yeah, and then this is first box from August, and I can't wait for the next one in September. So, and yeah, anytime you can cancel if you want. Also you can order any extra products from this company, and I'm really happy about this. They do a lot of discounts and you will get on the email. So yeah, let's go to show you what I have. So this is the box, and I will open for you. Comes in beautiful packaging, and this is the booklet with all information about products. So yeah, the beautiful paper. So yeah, oh my god, I'm happy. So this is the box with 6 beautiful beauty treats. I can't wait using them. So alright, each one. So this is the booklet with all information box. So first I have body. This is the body, and now as you can see, sorry for really lightening, this is the body wash from Mio, and this is worth £3.15, and this one is delicate citrusy scent and sable shimmer running through, deeply hydrate your skin with this Mio body wash. One, I can't wait. Let me, oh my god, smell is divine. Wow, and it's so soft, really soft. And it's come 30 milliliters. Next I have Ahava. This is the mineral body lotion. I never heard about this product, and this one is DIFERENT water mineral body lotion. And here is another one. There is another option. This one is Sea Kissed mineral body lotion, and antioxidants. Your body will feel revitalization, refreshing and restored, and it's really good for sensitive skin. Yeah, and cost £8. So, and the smell, Oh, smell really summery. I really like. I feel some citrusy mandarin smell, and it's so really soft. Oh my god, call me on holiday. Wow, so nice. Can't wait to use it. Next, my Wonder Balm. This is the primer. Never tried the primer, and it's really good for when you do the hair, and says it's drying really fast. 8 pounds. Yeah, it's here. This one. Next, I have this Eyeko mascara. I like packaging, and it's come in 2 versions, which is here. This one, I have that, so it come in the silver package. This one, another it's black magic with drama and curl. What I have is wake up and go. Yeah, this. So I will open for you guys, and it look like this, so small. Open for you, and its brush look like this. Never tried this brand, so I'm really exciting. Yeah, one more time. Okay, and the last one I have this is the blush from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This was recommended by both makeup artists, and bring healthy blush of color to your face, looking completely natural. Yeah, I look like that. Can't wait to use it. So exciting with small one, and look like that. Really nice. So I'm really happy about this, guys, and can't wait for another box. And oh, sneak peek for September. And this is the mineral cream collagen anti-age, and comes in 15 milliliters, worth 30 pounds. Oh, can't wait for this. This one should be on the next box. Alright guys, this is everything. I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe, I will so much appreciate, and leave me some comments down below, and see you on my next. Bye.